Hey, just to let y'all know, it's pouring down rain. I told y'all, man, it's like sleepless in Seattle around here. But we still going to the gym.
What up? It's Mary with Night Rider Fitness. Who is that over there?
What's good, everybody?
It's raining like a motherfucker out here.
Man, it is coming down like cats and dogs.
What we just do today?
Man, it's legs, man. I know we ain't put up a training video in a while, so we did it. We still training, first of all.
Okay.
But we just did legs.
And
so.
I'm tired. He whooped me today, y'all. Can somebody come save me?
Hey, man, we did something a little different, though. We did the V squat today.
Yes.
Y'all gonna see this in the video.
Ain't did it in a while.
The V squat, we used to do this probably, last year?
Yeah.
And we went back to it, man, and I'm gonna tell you something. I love it because I don't have to stabilize nothing. I can work directly on my quads, man. So I love the V squat. If y'all have a V squat machine at y'all gym, man, try it out, man.
Yeah.
Because it works. I really wish we had a hack squat.
Oh yeah.
Because I love the hack squat. But since we don't, the V squat is pretty damn good. So
yeah. And ladies, I'm trying something new. The hip deductor. I'm trying it out. I've been doing it, but I'm trying it a different way. So if you like it, let me know if I'm doing it right, and let me know if I'm doing it wrong. All right. So what we about to go do? Get us some food?
Yeah, we about to go get something to eat, man. Pretty hungry. Again, guys, we are still cutting.
Yes.
Just in case y'all wanted to know, we still cutting.
Yes.
Cutting is going good. I'm taking my cut or our cut very slowly.
Yeah.
But again, you know what I'm saying? Just still cutting, still
yes.
keeping it super simple.
Yes.
Because cutting don't take a lot. Hell, this whole nutrition thing don't take a lot, really.
No.
You know what I'm saying? If you just stay tuned in to your body.
Yeah.
Taurus Fit.
What up?
Kevin the Vic. Noble. Just boat. Hey, man. You know I like that jump rope. Hey, if y'all haven't seen the rest of our videos on our channel, go check out our channel and go check out our cardio video.
Yes.
And then you can check out our intro training video where we jump roping.
Oh, yes.
That is our favorite cardio. That's pretty much what we do.
Yes.
So, shout out to my boy for pulling out the rope.
Yes.
And anytime you want to get a jump rope session in, let us know.
That's right.
Because that's what we do.
Yes.
You understand me? So, if y'all haven't did jump rope for y'all cardio, man, y'all try that out as well.
That's what's up.
All right. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Appreciate y'all.
That's what's up.
And I'm done, man. We gonna end this right now.
We out.
Yeah. There you go.
Come on. There's 5 plates on each side. Come on. That's lightweight for you. Come on. Yeah. Come on, babe. Push that shit up. Let's go.
Yep. Yeah. Yep. Push it. Squeeze.
He ain't lightweight. Work them calves.
Hey, this right here got 200 reps.
You know what about you? Oh yeah, that's what we doing.
Calves.
That's what we doing. I'm already can't stand up hardly.
200 reps.